the Tedon Tola Tiwajidu, Tiwadnankin, Chudo Kisandogaladesha. Please explain what is the clear light luminosity Gishla or Dindejidesha Gishla. Kisan Dogaladesha, the page Inge Tony Sungshana Tandangazo de Himalaya concert Pegima Kashish Doa.
Okay, what constitutes the clear light mind? So basically, I don't want to go too much into detail into this. To give you a very quick idea of what it is, that our mind, it is like an ocean. And first, we need to know this on the basis of the metaphor. Later on, just see if you can apply this to your own mind to see that if it really resonates the way it is explained here. The ocean, let's say the ocean which is extremely clear, the water which is extremely clear and clean, and when the tsunami hits the ocean, then it just erupts into waves, very ferocious waves. When it erupts into the waves, very ferocious waves, you don't see the clarity of the water. But the true nature of this water is extremely clear. When do we know that this water is very clear and clean? Is that when the tsunami subsides, the water subsides in its true nature, where this serenity picks up, then we see that the water is so clean, you can see the bed of the ocean, particularly the coastal area. You can see the bed. Likewise, our mind. When you look at our mind, sometimes we feel agitated, particularly younger ones, when they reach the age 14, 15, 16, 17, they become so agitated. Their parents call you up in the evenings. Hey, where are you? My daughter, my son, where are you? And you, Mom, why are you disturbing me? You feel so agitated. So we see that our mind is like that very ferocious way, but this is not your true nature. At times, you can really go into depression, stress, anxiety, and so forth. These are not your true nature. This is not who you are. This is the very, say, temporary nature of your mind, perturbed by the external factors. So what is that true nature of the mind? The true nature of the mind is let the wind, the ferocious waves on the ocean. What's the true nature of this water? Let the wind subside. Let the tempest subside, then the water will demonstrate its true nature. Likewise, the wind of the external factors, when they subside, calm down your agitation and try to practice more compassion, try to practice more of your samadhi, single point meditation, try to practice more of the four C's of the Buddhist teachings, emptiness and so forth, then your mind will calm down. Your mind will calm down. The external factors subside and your mind calms down. When it calms down, then you see that your mind assumes a very different quality. There's a tremendous serenity there, tremendous calmness there, and tremendous ease and confidence, and will be away from stress, depression, anxiety. Now, this is the first phase. The next phase is that through various techniques, we try to say let the mind assume a subtler state, a subtler state, and a calmer mind. These are different. Let the subtler state of the mind become manifest. For example, if you inflate a balloon, so in the inflated balloon, it is not a subtle state; it's a very gross state. When you deflate it, then the balloon will assume its original state, and all the inside will come out, and the balloon will assume its most subtle state and the true nature. So likewise, our mind, through some techniques, so what we see now, what I can hear, what I can smell, what the agitation going inside your mind. So all these through techniques, when these gross minds, when they're deliberately put to calmness, then the mind will assume its natural state and a calmness and the subtle state. So the subtlest of the subtle state of the mind, just for the water, the ferocious wave, when the wind subsides altogether, then it assumes the extremely clear, the purity of the water comes out, manifests. Likewise, the purity of a mind will manifest in the subtlest form. That is known as the clear-eyed mind. So the experience described is like that it is the free, it is freed of the different stains, like the darkness or the red increase or the black near attainment and the white appearance, all these subside, then very the pure nature of the mind, the way explained as the experience that you get and during the dawn time that manifests within you. So that is known as clear mind, and independent it is known as Veselgism. Veselgism. Simgarashi Veselva. This is the connotation. Okay, thank you.